Amid the global economic gloom triggered by a slowing Chinese economy, most economists maintain that India's growth prospects were brighter than those of other emerging markets. China muscle's loss can lead to six-pack India, Arvind Panagaria. Panagaria said in his view the developments in China and their knock-on impact were better categorized as turmoil than as a crisis. Panagaria said this presented a huge economic opportunity for India. India can replace China as driver of global growth. FM Arun Jaitley. Seeing an opportunity in the recent turmoil in global equity and currency markets, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley on Thursday said, India with 8 to 9% growth rate can replace China as the driver of world economy. India picking up is the narrative now. RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan. Reserve Bank of India Governor Raghuram Rajan tells us why it is different this time and how India is no more in the club of the fragile 5 or troubled 10. Improved macro will help India withstand volatility, Moody's. Rating agency Moody's Investors Service has said that India's macroeconomic indicators have improved over the last few years, which will help the country withstand volatility in global capital flows in coming months. PM to brainstorm with bizmen and economists. With China's economic woes engulfing the world economy, the government has swung into action and Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to seek advice of economists and businessmen at a brainstorming session over the weekend to work out a roadmap to strengthen India against any possible turbulence. Elephant versus Dragon. Why India's economy is in better shape than China. China's economy is slowing sharply, creating a risk for the global economy. Its debt is pegged at 282% of GDP by some estimates, and that is just one of its problems.